Hey everybody, what's up? My name's Sam, and today I'm going to tell you a story about a lion and a mouse. This is the lion. This is the lion. The lion is sleeping. Right? The lion is sleeping. While the lion is sleeping, a mouse comes by. The mouse is looking for food to eat. The mouse is looking for food to eat near the lion. The lion wakes up and the lion sees the mouse. The lion wakes up and the lion sees the mouse. To the lion, the mouse is food. The lion wants to eat the mouse. The mouse sees the lion, and the mouse is scared. Yeah, the mouse is scared. The mouse tries to run away, but the lion is too fast. The lion is too fast. The lion is too fast. The lion catches the mouse with his paw. The lion catches the mouse with his paw. The mouse says to the lion, "Please, please don't eat me. Please don't eat me. Please, let me go. If you let me go, I will help you." The lion laughs at the mouse. The lion laughs, and the lion says to the mouse, How can a mouse help a lion like me? How can a mouse help a lion? The lion thinks and says to the mouse, Okay, I will let you go. I'm not very hungry, so I'll let you go. So the lion lets the mouse go. The next day, the mouse is looking for food, and the mouse sees the lion. But this time, the lion isn't sleeping. The lion is caught in a net. The lion is caught in a net. A net is something that people use to catch animals. People use nets to catch animals. The lion is caught in a net. The mouse goes to the lion. The mouse goes to the lion and says, "Lion, I will help you. I will help you. And the lion says, how? How can you help me? The mouse starts to chew the net. The mouse starts to chew the net. The mouse chews and chews and chews and chews the net until the lion can get out of the net. The mouse chews the net until the lion can get out of the net. The lion gets out of the net, and the lion says to the mouse, thank you so much. Now I understand how a mouse can help a lion. That's it. That's the story. I'll see you guys later.